Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Johnny here, and today we'll be unboxing this two phones, right? The iPhone 12 mini on the left and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. All right, I actually just got this yesterday, just one day ago, from the Apple store, which is just around my house, right? And yep, let's head into it. Let's start with the mini. All right, so now the first thing when you notice is that when I got the box, it's really slim. All right, now just for comparison, I have with me here the iPhone 6s box. All right, so if I put it side by side, you can see this is the iPhone S6, these are the iPhone 6s, the box, and this is the iPhone 12. All right, you can compare. It's like almost 2.5 times thinner. Okay. And another thing you will notice is that they dropped the naming convention. That you look at the iPhone 6s, right? They just name it as iPhone. All right. So the one that I got here is 128 GB. Okay, blue color. All right, as you can see from here. Okay, that blue. Yep. Okay. So let's go ahead. Box, right? Yes, this is the thing, right? Okay. Now the first thing you will notice is that it is really good in your hand. It feels really good and it's super slim. All right, and it's a design that is a bit reminiscent. You know, I think you heard a lot of people saying that, you know, even iPhone, you know, they go back to the original design. There are also some people who are saying that, you know, it's going back to the iPhone 4, iPhone 5 era. Well, I have with me here an iPhone 4. Okay, here you go. For those of you who have never seen the iPhone 4, this is the iPhone 4. Okay, it's actually my very first iPhone back in 2010. All right. Okay, so you can see a lot of resemblance. You look at the edge. All right, the curved edge. All right, and then you look at the side as well. It's very rigid. It's very straight. You know, you look at the glass. All right, you look at the side. You see, there's no curved edges. It's just like iPhone 4. Okay, so yeah, just of course less the button. All right, so first thing you feel is really rigid. All right, feels very steady. And it's one thing. Another thing to mention is that if you didn't notice, is that it's in your hand, your thumb. You can touch all 4 corners. Right? It's been a while, I can tell you. It's been a long while. Your thumb can touch all 4 corners. All right, and it still feels very good. Now, one thing to take note is that for the mini, the back is glossy. As you can see from here, it's really glossy. So it's a magnet, all right, to fingerprints. All right. Okay. So the first impression, mini, is really good, and I really like it personally because it's been a while that, you know, it's back to something really compact, but it has the power of the bigger brothers. All right. Okay. So this one we'll put aside for now, and we'll go into iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, I hope I get that correct. Okay, now the first thing you will notice, I'm not too sure you can see the shine, the shimmer. You see the edge here, the gold edges. Yeah, look at it. I was trying to see if you can see it. You know, it's really shiny. Yeah, like shimmer. Right, really good. And if you really look, you see, even the text here is gold. It's shiny. Right, it's matte shiny. Same thing. They dropped the naming convention on the case itself. It's equally slim. Right, just, yeah, equally slim, as you can see from here. Okay, look at it, stacked along each other. Yeah, it's really nice. Okay, so here goes. Wow, look at that. I got the gold actually. Right, so you see here. Whoo, that is some real estate. Wow, it's very heavy. I can tell you this. It's really heavy, but how to describe it? It's like It's heavy, but it feels really solid in the hand. Okay. So as you can see from here, it's shiny side. Okay, the rim. Okay, the side is shiny. Okay, I think it's magnetic. I think it has been magnetized. Okay, so that it doesn't get big. It's more prone. It's more not so prone to scratches. Okay, all round. Right. Then the back. Okay, it's matte. Okay, it's matte, and then of course the Apple logo is shiny. Okay, here. So it has the same design throughout. Right. So here, vibration mode, volume rocker up, down. Okay, SIM card tray. Right, the lightning port. Right, and the power button. Right, it feels really good. Holding these two iPhones in hand. Yeah, I mean, this is really heavy. This is really light, But I guess it's, the comparison you can even see over here. Right? You see, oh, huge, man. Look at that. Look at that. The camera, yep. It's a triple camera setup, dual camera setup. Yep. The arrangement of the flash is also different as well. Over here, the iPhone mini is in the middle. And then on the iPhone 12 Max Pro is at the top. Pro Max, sorry, is at the top. Right, there's the camera here. Right, I won't really go into technical. It's mainly more of an unboxing and a first impression of the phone. So, who is it really for? I would say if you're someone who wants something compact, but at the same time it still has the power, it has a pure power, then go for the mini. Right, but if you're someone who doesn't really care, you just want the screen real estate, you want a huge screen, you're alright because you're not going to be putting your phone in your pocket. You have deep pockets. Alright, you're mainly going to be putting in your bag or your handbag. You really want something huge, then go for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Alright, for me personally, I would be using this. Alright, I'll be using the mini to replace my existing phone. It's going to be my new daily phone. And for the Pro Max, well, same thing, will be using them regularly. In fact, I would be more looking at what is the battery life. Okay, moving forward, it being my daily right now, my new daily. Alright, going to be looking at how's the battery life and this kind of stuff, listening to music and all this kind of stuff, taking photos on it, all this kind of stuff. So, right, so probably look out for my next video, right? And thanks for watching. Bye bye.